Hey guys, how are you doing? So today I'm going to show you how you can make this kind of pattern in Adobe Illustrator. So to start, you're going to select the line tool by clicking here, or you press the backslash on the keyboard and then left click, add the dimensions and the angle, then OK. Then you add the stroke, increase the stroke width. Then you hold Alt and copy this, you drag with the left. So before doing this, you make sure you have the Smart Guide selected. Control U, or you go to Windows, View, and then Smart Guides. So when you hold Alt and you drag, you'll see that pink line appearing. So you drag it to the distance that you desire. And then in this second line or the first line, you just change color. Then select both, go to Object, Pattern, and then Make. Click OK. Then you size style to art, and you just reduce this size like that. And then you can double click outside, or you can just click down. After that, delete these lines. Draw any shape that you want. And then on the swatches panel, if you don't have the swatches, just go to Windows and then you look for swatches. Make sure it's checked, and the pattern will appear over here. So just click that while having the shape selected. So I can draw a circle to have that shape, that pattern. I can draw a star and it will have that pattern. Now for when you're trying to resize it, you'll find that the pattern is growing bigger. So if you don't want that, once you have established your shape, just go to Object, Expand, then OK. So now when you resize it, it will maintain the dimensions of the lines inside in proportion with your shape. So it won't enlarge like this one. When I do this, you find that the lines are getting bigger. So you just rasterize it and you're good to go. Another way you can do this, when you want to resize, you can go to Object, Transform, Scale. Then you'll see here when you scale this, it will increase the size. You can just remove this transform object. You can just do that. This is another way of playing around with the size. So that's it for now. Hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching. Bye.